Last time we met our friend Dobby, the sales manager, who asked me to track all the emails inside Dynamics, but one of our sales reps is not happy. Why you're not happy, Dobby?
Sometimes I receive personal emails, and I found that all of them ended up in Dynamics and all my sales team can see them.
So, if we help you, Dobby, to pick specific emails and track those emails inside Dynamics, would this help you and make it easier for you?
Absolutely. Can you do that?
So we're gonna make Dobby and Tobby happy by showing them a way that you can track specific emails inside Dynamics. But before we do that, my name is Mohammed Khalifa. I help small and medium businesses to get the best out of Dynamics and Copilot. Let me show you. To be able to help our friend Dobby and Tobby to track specific emails inside Dynamics, this is what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna go to the Advanced Settings, Email Configuration, then Email Settings. Remember in the last time when we wanted to track all the emails, what we did is we wanted to set the incoming, outgoing, and appointment into server-side synchronization. But this time, what we're going to do is we're going to make Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Outlook for all of them. Then we're going to click Save. Then we'll have to go back to the mailbox for Tobby and run the same thing that we did before. Go to mailbox, all mailboxes, look for our friend Tobby, pick him. Let's do the same, activate, approve, and then test and enable. And let's see. Cool. Now, Tobby received another email said, now his email is connected to Outlook. But this is not the end of it. To be able to allow Tobby to select specific emails inside his Outlook, we need to install something called Dynamics 365 app for Outlook. And this requires an extra configuration, which I'm going to show you. In that organization, we will go to still advanced files, and we will go to security, and we will select our friend Tobby. And we will add an extra security role. The security role is called Dynamics 365. Here we go. Dynamics 365 app for Outlook, which is an extra application that we're gonna install in Toby's Outlook to be able to track a specific email. If we go back to the advanced find, and if we go, you will see over here something called Dynamics 365 app for Outlook. After we click on Dynamics 365 app on Outlook on the advanced setting, we will see Toby's name here, and it says not added to Outlook, which means that this app is not being added to Toby's Outlook. We're gonna come here, then we're gonna say add app to Outlook. It takes sometimes from 1 minute to 15 minutes, so we will wait a little bit till it's being added. Now, after a while, if we refresh, we will see that the Dynamics 365 app for Outlook has been added to Tobby. But for now, what we need to do, there is one small setting that Tobby needs to do himself. Since he wants to select specific emails, he needs to go to Dynamics, and he needs to go open personalization settings, and email over here. He needs to say only track email messages in response with Dynamics email. Or also you can say all email from Dynamics 365 with context, but usually I pick email message in response to Dynamics email. Now let's see if the app is being installed in Tobby's email. So if Tobby opens his email and go over here and click on apps, wow, looks like a Dynamics 365 app got installed in Tobby's Outlook. So let's send an email to Tobby and see what's going to happen when Tobby receives it and how he can track this email inside his Outlook. So let's say here, this email is to Tobby. Here's an update about Bravo's opportunity. They want to move forward. How about meeting next week? And then we send this email. Now we can tell that Tobby has received the email. So once Tobby receives the email, He can click on the apps and he can click on Dynamics 365. And what is going to show up over here is it's going to allow and it's going to ask for the app to access Dynamics. You might need to click and allow a couple of times. So what is going to show up over here is what you have configured the app to show. So in our example, we need to track this app to one of the opportunities. So you need to click here, then click on opportunities. Then we need to see all opportunities. We need to click on Bravo. This is the opportunities that we need to track this email to. And all what we need to do is just boom, set regarding. You will see that it's going to say successfully tracked, and that means that this email has been tracked inside Dynamics. So if we're going to go to Dynamics, we're going to see this email. But before we move to Dynamics, one of the things that you will notice that there is a small label over here that this email has been tracked to Dynamics, which means that if you have a couple of emails and you don't know which one is being tracked inside Dynamics and which one is not, you can know by taking a look at that tracked to Dynamics label over here. So if we go to Dynamics as Toby or as a sales manager, and if we go to email messages, in our case, we have a link for email messages. We will see that this email already lives in Dynamics, and we'll see the regarding over here is Bravo. Another nice way you can do that, if you go to opportunities, if again you look for Bravo, if you open Bravo, you will see that email is already over here. And you can also see that the Copilot out of the box may give you some summary about the email that has been tracked. So if we go to the account itself, we will see that that email is also as a part of the activities for that account. And this is a great thing for Dynamics 365. All the tables are connected and related to each other, and you don't have to manually try to track the same email in multiple places. Just track it into one place, and the other related places are going to refer to the email. This was helpful to you, and if you think it was helpful, feel free to subscribe to help your Bobby and Toby. See you soon.